Comparison is the thief of joy and growth. Most of you always try to do the comparison with the others. That's they have car, they have a good house, they have a big house than me, they have more IQ level than me. So doing the continuously comparison with other, you just lose your happiness. You just getting each and every single day not making yourself better. So my suggestion is here that focus on growing, don't focus on comparing with others, because always when you do the comparison with other, you get the level of the stress, and you never can get the improvement in yourself. And so focus on improving yourself, never try to comparing yourself with others, because you are the unique and you are the different than others.